Okay, I got my outfit in. It's actually, considering it's Fazbear, it's actually pretty good. The stockings are comfortable, the skirt's nice and breezy, and the jacket's actually pretty good. And I got a nice undershirt, so yeah, it's honestly a pretty good day. Oh, is he offline? Please tell me he's offline. Please tell me he's offline. Please tell me he's offline. Oh, Blake. Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Is he offline?
Well, anyway, I wanted to try to get the office open because honestly, you kind of need that room. And the more animatronics we activate, the more we'll need that employees staff room. So, just need you to try everything you got on the store.
Alright. Try to get the... Seems to be locked. I guess...
Are you trying to kick it?
Trying to break it down. Ugh. Ow.
You're too weak.
Now my foot hurts. Probably because I don't have shoes on. I really should. Whatever. Wait, try again.
How about you try dropping the dog?
Alright, I'll drop the... What? I don't have a dog. Like... Too expensive. Oh god. Open the door. Open.
You know the door doesn't have feelings, right?
Yeah. Well, I can't
Alright,
really
well,
think of anything else.
last ditch effort. A while ago, I saw Fritz shove his hand right down Stone's throat. It was very, disgusting. So, we kind of need to do that. So go on.
I hate you so much, Blake. Alright. Here I go. Ugh. Why is it slimy?
I probably got some actual food in there at some point.
Ugh. I'm gonna clean this off real quick. Where's the bathroom? I'll just use the arts and crafts thing. I'm sure that should be fine. Ew. Okay. Go. Alright, that's...
Hey, Blake. Stone, look. Yeah, really shiny coin. You want the shiny one? Yeah, there you go.
He is feral. But just take it out of my hand. Alright.
Anyway, yeah, no, that should be the key. Hopefully. Try it.
Alright. Oh. Okay.
Hey, there's the vent I was talking about.
Well, it seems to be a bit dusty in here.
Yeah, we're gonna... Can't fucking move. We're gonna have to... I didn't bring my sword today. Like, you think you could get the cobwebs?
Why do you need swords to clean up cobwebs? Don't you need, like, a feather duster or something?
It's what...
Well, these webs are from some mutated-ass spiders, so...
Alright.
I'm able to remove them with my hands.
Oh, yeah, I am too. I just like using a sword.
Well, it does happen to be my hands are a lot bigger than everybody else's.
Oh. Is that Craig?
Craig is free.
Oh.
Wondering where he was.
Hi. Right?
Well, hold on. I think he's gonna say something. I think he's saying something.
Right? I don't hear him. He's not saying anything.
He hasn't spit it out yet.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. He's saying something. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah,
What?
uh-huh.
I,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're free.
What? He's
We've freed you. At last. Yes, you are free at last.
he's not saying anything though.
Can't hear him?
No?
I mean, he's pretty clearly talking.
Oh, I only just now realized that thing. Oh, that is
What, the flamingo?
terrifying. No, the thing underneath the flamingo.
Hey, what year is it? Yes.
2023?
No, it's not. You're lying.
I don't remember. Pretty sure it's 2023. It's 2024? It's 2026. God,
Yes.
jeez. I remember what fucking year it is. 2023 feels like it was literally yesterday. Alright, well, I'm just gonna... Oh! Hey, Blake, look.
Mhm.
It's the thing I was talking about.
Oh.
Yeah, Blake says. Oh.
Yeah, no, this place is blocked off. Hey, can you chip the wood? Yeah.
Is it really?
Oops, sorry.
Hold on. Can't see.
Yeah, it's blocked off for now.
Jeez, that is a lot of caution tape. What the hell is even
Hey,
doing
Stone, you think your buddies are down there?
that? His buddies?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that is fucking terrifying.
What? Poster?
Yeah. Sorry.
I think the more terrifying thing is seeing my friend in pieces.
Yeah, that... Oh, God, it's moving.
I will. Don't you worry, I will.
What?
Huh? What?
Hey, I'm not gonna...
Hey, you know, I actually already had some ready.
Okay.
What?
What?
What was that, Blake?
Something.
Alright,
They like it.
that's-
So it's probably something you don't have to worry about.
okay,
Oh, look at these cute little drawings. Oh,
yeah, it looks like they're drawn. Oh my fucking God, what the hell are those?
those are the toy animatronics.
Yeah, but
Don't know
do
why
they
all the
look so
kids draw them with-
demented?
I don't know. Kids have crazy imaginations, I guess.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna stand back from Stone. I feel like he'll just attack me if I look at him wrong. Do we have a...
Yes, it's very good. I was very delicate with it this time. I'm not gonna make the same mistake I made last time.
Okay. It's either I'm going crazy or this animatronic's going crazy. Either way, somebody's crazy.
Animatronics can't go crazy. No, you can't. Listen, if we don't allow you to do it to Fritz, we can't let you do it to her.
What is that? What is that flamingo saucepan thing talking about?
Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna
Listen.
worry about it.
You know, if we could let you, we would, but you can't. Because without them, the place... I will, but I will have to not... It'll have to not be them. It'll be someone else. Probably some child murderers. They'll probably be next.
By the way,
It's Dreadgo's.
yeah. Hold on. Let me just. Where can I put him? I'll just put him in my pocket.
Fuck.
He's been put in my pocket.
Yeah. God. What's with that thing?
I think it's Dreadgo's.
Dread goes? It's kind of like a skeleton.
I think he found coin in my pocket.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Do you have corn in your pockets?
Yeah.
I
Birds
also
eat
have
corn.
him in my pocket.
Oh.
Anyways, we should
let's-
I
probably
think
leave
that's
this
why he likes
area.
coins so much. It reminds him of.
No, I like coins because they're shiny.
This is a
Oh.
little bobblehead thing.
Remember what
Listen.
happened last time I didn't have coins near me? I stole your eyes.
Okay, well, I got something for you since you've not been, annoying today. Look, I got a crow coin. Yeah, you want it? There you go.
Shiny!
You happy with your coin, your crow coin?
Yeah, it was alright.
Don't look at him. Don't look in the eyes. Don't look in the eyes. Don't look him in the eyes. Don't look him in the eyes. Don't look him in the eyes.
Now, if you excuse me, I have to go deal with something down here.
Oh. Okay.
And don't you disturb.
Okay. Yeah. Now I get. Oh my god. That's a cute little flamingo up there. There's a lot of stuff in here. Small plushie. He went down there and I think he shot something.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Do you think we could try
I
to
have
get
dealt
that
with
light
it.
working? Or is it just kind of stuck and not work? Oh.
I get it.
Turn back off. I guess it's just broken. It's fine. There's enough.
Yeah,
lag
Craig
in
demanded
here.
something to eat again. I kinda had to go deal with it. Your turn to keep Craig in your pocket.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'm gonna get myself acquainted with the office. I'm probably gonna be spending
Okay.
the computer.
Don't worry, you can write. You could probably write some stuff in your book.
Yeah. I was gonna see if there's a security system to this place, but I guess I can't now.
I'm the only one with access to that.
Of course.
I'm the only one with a weaselware phone.
Oh, you access it via phone? Wait.
Oh, by the way, this is broken.
Oh,
Probably been broken for a couple of years.
thanks.
Mm.
I can't put it down.
Oh, by the way, I found the older model of the weaselware phone. Here you go.
Oh.
Yeah, the security system's probably really busted on there, but hey, it's something.
You'll probably have access to all the cameras in this
I'll just-
building.
Put it in the off in my other. I'll put it in my pocket with my phone.
Yeah, you definitely won't have all the cameras to the buildings.
Yeah.
Might have some, and some vent cameras, but you won't have full access to everything, I guess.
I guess so. Alright, I guess you guys do whatever you guys
Well,
do.
good luck.
Oh.
Huh.
Oh,
Huh. I think the lock just broke, or the door handle.
what?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go through the vent to get them out.
Yeah, it's just yeah, they're gonna have to be in there for quite a while.
Guys?
Alright, good night!
Wait, guys,
Bye-bye.
guys, wait! The door won't. Fucking God Damn it. Okay. 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 Still breathe. Just breathe. I fucking hate this job. Alright, I'm just gonna organize some stuff. Yeah, that'll keep me. That'll keep me occupied. Yeah, that. Maybe I'll just look through this book. That should have something.